Bird and Kip, Episode 33. Surprise, Kip! Kip was sad. He wanted to have a great birthday party. But he didn't have cupcakes. He didn't have party games. He didn't have decorations. And he forgot to invite everyone.
This is terrible,
said Kip.
I think I'll just go home.
Kip started to walk home when suddenly, all of Kip's friends jumped out.
Surprise!
They all yelled.
Happy birthday, Kip!
Said Bird.
We're here for your party. There is no party,
Said Kip.
I messed up everything. No problem,
Said Bird.
We brought cupcakes, games, and decorations. You brought a whole party,
Said Kip. Everyone played party games. Then they sang happy birthday to Kip. Kip blew out the candles.
What did you wish for?
Asked Bird.
Nothing.
Said Kip.
I already have everything I need right here.